Hello, everyone. My name is Sandra, and thank you so much for tuning in. I know y'all, I've been MIA for a while. As some of you may know, your girl went and had a baby, and we recently moved. So it was just a lot going on, and I didn't have time to film. Okay, I did not have time to film. I did not have energy to film. But your girl is back. Okay, I'm gonna try to be consistent again. Last year, at the beginning of the year, I was pretty consistent up until I got pregnant again. Just so you know, if you hear stuff in the background, that's baby girlin', okay? She is downstairs living her best life, and I'm not gonna interrupt her, okay? I'm gonna stay out of children's business. I also have something in my eye, so that's why I keep rubbing my eye like this. It's like a little tiny hair eyelash stuck in my eye. So there's that. This is the bag for November. Okay, super cute. The material does not feel cheap. This bag is really cute. I like the purple on the inside. The zipper's solid. You can use this as a little clutch. Now, first and foremost, I hate getting brushes. I never get the brush that I actually need. Like, I need one of them fan brushes. I don't have one, but I'm pretty sure I have like 30 of these. Be your own desire. So BYOD. And this is how it came. This is what the brush looks like. It's soft enough. And I mean, the fibers seem to be in the right spot. You know, nothing's like really like sticking out. I'm going like this. I'm not really pulling anything out. So what is it for? It's for whatever the hell you want it to be for, because I don't see a name or instruction on this brush. I'm just glad the fibers aren't just, you know, all over the place. This is Mark Anthony Repair Bond Leave-In Conditioner. It's like a little conditioner treatment. I hate getting like hair products because they say, do you want makeup or skincare? This is neither. So I'm just like, But I mean, we'll try this out and see if it repairs any broken bonds in my hair. The next thing that I'm pulling out is by LYS and is the Triple Fix Concealer. I actually already have, I think, the same concealer. I'm not sure, I'd have to look, but I definitely have an LYS concealer that I'm already using. The next thing I have in here is from Ciate London, and this is a setting powder in brightening pink. I've never used a pink setting powder before, ever in my life. So I'm not sure how this is gonna look on my skin tone. You can kind of see the shade in there. You never know, pink might be that girl, okay? Pink might actually be that girl. It doesn't come with a little pad thing to kind of use on your skin. You have to have your own. And the last thing is from I don't know how to say this name, but this is what it looks like. Comes a little bubble wrap. And this is what the packaging is looking like. Okay, very cute. Looks like pretty much every other highlighter that's ever existed. I'm not gonna swatch it. I'm just gonna close it back up and put it in my giveaway pile because I don't need 50 of the same exact highlighter. So this is gonna go in the giveaway. I will eventually have the giveaway, hopefully sometime soon, so I can offload these products onto some of you. To be honest, the only thing I'm excited about trying is this powder. And I mean, I like that I have a little backup concealer, or if I wanna go on vacation and I don't wanna take the whole thing, I can just take the itty bitty. I mean, that's cool, but other than that, This is the bag for December. Okay, first of all, cute. Okay, this is so cute. I got the matching mystery bag to go with it because I just love this design. I think this is so cute, and I just think this bow is so nice. Zipper is decent, okay? The first thing that I'm pulling out does not want to come out. These are the Evio Skin Hydrogel Eye Therapy, and it comes with 3 pairs. And this is what it looks like. This is probably full size as well. I'm excited. I like eye masks and face masks, not because I feel like they do anything. I just like how they feel on my skin. It's just like time set aside for me to just sit and relax. And especially as a mom with 2 under 2, stuff like this will be very, very beneficial when, Justin takes his fatherly time to give me some mommy time to myself. Stuff like this is really good for that. Makes you sit down, okay? Sit your ass down. The next thing that I'm pulling out is from Saturday Skin. I think this is the first thing I've gotten from Saturday Skin. This is the Rub-a-Dub Refining Peel Gel in a super itty bitty container. It's got a little something in there, but the package could have been this big. All this is for show. And this is the Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrops Serum by Glow Recipe. I am excited to try this out. I love a good serum. The last 2 things I think are full size in here, but this is the Lovecraft Beauty Gel Eyeliner Pencil. And it looks like it's just gonna be a brown in the color Fuzzy. And this is what it looks like. So this is what she's working with. I did not have to press super hard for that to go down. And it's just like a nice dark, deep chocolatey brown. Probably won't use it for my eyes. I might just use this as a lip liner because I prefer a dark brown lip liner. I don't think I have one that's deep like this because, I mean, makeup's universal. You can do whatever the hell you want to use it for, which is exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to use this as a lip liner. Last thing is in a little box, and it's by Ipsy by Petra. And this is the Lip Glue Tinted Lip Balm in Ruby. This is what she's working with. This is what she looks like. Oh, wait. Oh, it's one of those. I hate these. So this is one of those things where when you turn it, you can't undo it. There's no undo button for this. So like once you click it, there's no clicking back. I would probably just use this as like a regular lip gloss. Nothing super special. This is the January bag. Very cute. Okay. I love the texture on here. It's just so nice. And then just like a little envelope. The inside is a nice blue. The first thing I'm pulling out, I'm pretty sure this is full size or travel size. It's either full size or travel size. And this is from e.l.f. and it is the Big Mood Mascara, Mega Volume and Lift. This is definitely full size. This is what the bristles are looking like. I think this is really cute. I'm glad to receive this in my bag. The next thing I'm pulling out is by Laura Mercier, and this looks like a travel size. This is a translucent pure setting spray, 16-hour wear. Why would you need to wear your makeup for 16 hours? That just sounds disgusting and gross. That's just the product casing. So like this coloring isn't the actual setting spray. It's just how the packaging is. Those first few sprays had a little stream coming out of them, but I mean, the rest of it was pretty, misty. I don't ever really do wear tests on this channel because I usually don't wear my makeup that long. Like I put it on to film, maybe go out to eat, and then I would come home and just wash it all off my face as soon as possible. I like the artistry of it, but as far as sitting around with a bunch of makeup on your face, I hate it. I like my skin to just be free. That's why I love skincare. The next thing I'm pulling out is the Probiotic Recovery Cream Anti-Aging Moisturizer. They must know I'm turning 32 this year. Trying to load me up on all the anti-aging. So this is what it looks like. It has one of those clean fragrance smells. I don't mind, but honestly, I'm not a big fan of fragrancy skincare and makeup. Probiotic is actually really good for your skin. If you're having a lot of acne, the probiotic skincare is usually really good for that. And I'm speaking from experience, okay? I think I know what I'm talking about. Let's see. And this is another hair product, Goldilocks. This is the Ultra Hydrating Signature Hair Mask. And this is what she's looking like. And the last thing is by Illuminati. I actually really like that brand. They have some nice stuff. And this is the Multi-Chrome Gel Eyeliner. Is it just prime? Ooh, okay. This is what she looks like. Definitely multi-chrome, but that's what she looks like. Goes from a gold to a green. And I think that's gonna look really nice on my eyes just because of my eyes being hazel. I saw this bag and I was like, oh my God, that is cute. Okay, I love the little lollipop. The inside also has little hearts on it. So this is super, super stinking cute. The first thing I'm pulling out is by Manicadar and is the Sea Minerals Exfoliating Cream Body Scrub with fragrance of pomegranate. I don't even know what pomegranate smells like. I know it tastes really good. Pomegranate's one of those fruits where it's a lot of work to eat it, but it's so delicious. It's nice and sealed. Probably something I would use on my elbows. I wouldn't use this all over my body just because it's just so little. There's not that much in here for your entire body, but just for your elbows or your knees or your crusty, dusty feet, I think that's actually a pretty decent size. The next thing is from, is it Sika or Sika? I don't know. This brand. It's from them. This is an Essence toner. Calm down. It's Sika. What? What is it? What is that is that supposed to be clever? Is it clever? I don't know. You tell me. Oh, no smell. I like when stuff is fragrance free. I haven't gotten to the makeup yet. I might have to switch my profile over to say just no more skincare because I have so much freaking skincare and just only give me makeup. I just want makeup, nothing else. This is the Benefit Bounce Bad Gal Mascara. All right, so this is what she looks like outside of the box. And this is what the bristles are looking like. I actually like this because it's it has the plasticky bristles on this one side and then more brush-like bristles on the other side. So I think you really get the best of both worlds with this type of mascara. The next thing is Gold Satin MD, which I love the Dr. Scrub by them. And this is the Radiance Repair Daily Renewal Serum. So another serum. Okay, it is safety sealed. So she's going in the giveaway. And the last thing that I'm pulling out is full size, because I remember looking at this. Mo Beauty. And this is what she's looking like. Very iridescent. And the color is Chili Crisp. And I believe this is one of those jellies, which I don't own any. I don't own any jelly blushes. Ooh, this thing might be a little messy, because even just taking this off, it looks wet. So you get this amount of product, even though this is full size. Let's see. Ooh, this is what it looks like just dabbed on. Okay, not sure if I'm a fan of this, because when you try to blend it out, it's almost unblendable. That's gonna be a nightmare, but it will be our nightmare. We're gonna try it out and see. That was everything in all my glam bags for the last 4 months. If you like this content, you already know what to do. Like, share, comment, and definitely subscribe. I am gonna be doing some content that's more edgy. So if you don't like political commentary, just don't click those videos, okay? Or you can just rage quit my whole channel. That's fine. Do you. I'm not your mama. Do what you wanna do. I will try to be more consistent. I gotta go because my baby crying and I need to get to my baby. Deuces.